Hi friends, this is Ram Gopal, Nadi teacher. Particularly, I teach BNN. Today, we are going to discuss health problems. How do we get health problems? Based on our past karmas. Rahu and Ketu denote our past karmas. If Rahu or Ketu is posited in a zodiac, we get health related issues. For example, if Rahu is posited in our horoscope in Aries, Aries related to our head and brain. So, if Rahu or Ketu is posited in Aries, the native will get head related and brain related health problems. Migraine, headaches, affection of the brain, nervous system, neuralgia. Some people may go into coma after brain stroke or something, or some people may go into coma, colic pains, paralysis, brain stroke, pituitary gland related problems. You see, if we have pituitary related problem, pituitary segregates 7 types of hormones. So you see, for example, if there is if there is any problem related to pituitary gland, it segregates 7 types of hormones. One of the hormones it segregates is height growth hormone. If it does not segregates height growth hormone, then they may be very short. They, they will be born short. Or they may be, if it excessively segregates height growth hormone, they will be very taller. They will also, they may have sinus related problem, baldness, head injuries, lunacy, and the memory problem, giddiness. So all these problems we may have if Rahu or Ketu is posited in Aries. Rahu generally damages, it hurts, or it gives accidents to our head. When Ketu, particularly Ketu, we will have to undergo some surgery or operation. So maybe migraine or injury to head, and these all these problems the native will may get, the native may get. So when it comes to Taurus, Taurus is related to our face and throat. That's why we may have tongue related, teeth related, eye related, nose related adenoids, tonsils, and the voice, palate, vocal tract, cervical bones, thyroid related, and sore throats, eye sores, squint eye, sinus, stiff necks, earaches, pimples, color blindness, facial paralysis. If Rahu is there, there may be facial paralysis, and Ketu is there, so removal of adenoids, tonsils. So these type of problems the native will get. When it comes to Gemini, Gemini is related to our neck of human body, shoulders of human body. So ears, arms, shoulders, hands, arm bones, lungs, pneumonia, wheezing, asthma, eosinophilia, bronchitis, anemia, respiratory problems, tuberculosis, shoulder dislocation, injuries to hands and fingers, scapula, upper ribs. So here Rahu is supposed to be exalted, and there may be shoulder dislocation or collarbone fracture. Ketu is also same, fracture of shoulders, bones. So when there is, for example, collarbone fracture, so we will have to undergo some surgery, and some rods, steel rods have to be fixed there. So next one, cancer. So cancer is related to lungs, chest, and heart. Heart attacks, chest, fragile lungs, asthma, bronchitis, TB, jaundice, boils on the chest, breast, milk related, and breast cancer, indigestion, stomach ulcers, blood pressures. If Rahu is there, Rahu signifies dryness in the breast. So that's why female have to feed their babies. They cannot give mother milk. They have to the children of these females should depend on other milk. At the same time, you see Ketu, when it is Ketu, fairy planet is heart related problems, allergy problems, breathing related, and the removal of breast. So when there is Ketu, there will be definitely an operation or surgery. So if breast cancer problem is there, then removal of breast will be there. So for these female natives. And the next one is Leo. Leo, when it comes to Leo, uh, as far as body parts and health disorders, heart, stomach, belly, particularly stomach related problems. There may be heart palpitation, rheumatic heart disease, stomach related, spinal cord disorders, backbone related, gallbladder, abdomen, sunstroke, epilepsy, rheumatic fever. So such health problems these natives will get. If Rahu is there, gastric problems we can predict because Rahu is the causative planet for large intestines. So gastric related indigestion problems the native may get. If Ketu is there, stomach related spinal cords and spondylitis, we observe in the horoscopes of the people who have Rahu or Ketu in Leo. When it comes to Virgo, Virgo is related to our waist, lower belly, and abdomen. So, so this is abdomen and indigestion and the liver, pancreas, solar plex related, nervous related, malnutrition, type 1, large and small intestines problems. So because Rahu and Ketu is also there. So if Rahu is there, constipation and like that and large intestine problems, diabetic, spleen related, food allergies, all these problems the native may have. If Rahu is there, one house of Rahu, large intestines, gastric problems, pancreas. If Ketu is there, small intestines and the pancreas related, liver related problems we find in the horoscopes of these natives. And when it comes to Libra, body parts and the health disorders, particularly kidney and lumbar zone, Libra is related to kidney, lumbar zone, and sexual reproduction system. We can also say reproduction system. Lower back pain, lines, lumbar, abdomen, semen, and female organs, uterus removal of ovary, appendicitis, infertility, impotency, hernia, urinary, female disease like white discharge, irregular periods. If even sun is there, there may be white discharge related problems for female. And if Saturn is also there, there may be white discharge. And Rahu and Ketu, these problems. Particularly Venus and Moon are Sun and Venus are posited in Libra. Then also these people have low sperm count and these problems, reproduction system. And when it comes to particularly Rahu, no lubrication. That's why dryness in vagina, and that's why these ladies particularly feel in pain in intercourse. And when it comes to Ketu, the removal of uterus, sexual organs related, frustrations in sex and bed, pleasures, white discharges, difficulties at the time of delivery for women. So next one, Scorpio, body parts and health disorders, male or female private parts. It may be bowels, piles, fistula, and the hernia related, anus related, irregular menstruation, contagious diseases, particularly venereal diseases, prostate gland, genital infection related obesity, bladder and rectum, pelvic bones, venereal diseases. So if Rahu is there, kidney, uterus, particularly for women, uterus and menopause, they have these problems, no sexual pleasures. If Ketu is there, uterus, kidney, and sexual organs related problem. And when it comes to Sagittarius, yeah, thighs, hips, yes, hips, limbs, sciatica nerve, particularly these people who have Ketu or Rahu in Sagittarius, they will suffer from sciatica nerve related problem, rheumatic pain, fracture in the hip. Yes, fracture in the, many people get hip bone fractures, arteries, biles, muscle problems. If Rahu is there, weakness in thighs and hips. If Ketu is there, arteries and thighs, hip bone fracture, rods we have to fix in the hips because of bone fracture, hip bone fracture. And when it comes to body parts and health disorders, knees and bones, joints, uh, skeletal system, rheumatic pains, bones and knee and patella, bones fracture, particularly kneecap replacement, knee ligament surgery. Nowadays, these sports people get their ligament hurt and they will have to undergo ligament surgery. And Rahu is drainage and less fluid in kneecaps. So knee replacement or arthritis related problem. And Ketu, when Ketu is there, there will be these people will have to undergo an operation and for knee replacement or rods to be fixed in knee parts. And when it comes to Aquarius, body parts and health disorders, ankles and legs, shanks, left ear, calves, varicose, sprain in the ankle, cramps, swelling of the ankle, orthopedic problems. So if Rahu or Ketu is there, definitely varicose is a serious problem, and these people may have knees and calves related arthritis and swelling of ankles. When it comes to the last zodiac, Pisces, body parts of health disorders, particularly related to feet and toes, and the perspiration of the feet, effects of the feet and toe, lymphatic system, adipose tissue, left eye and ringworm related leukemia, and the amputation of foot. So here you see when it comes to Rahu, if Rahu is posited in Pisces, foot run over by vehicles once or twice, and if it is Ketu, drowned in water, suicide, or falling from heights, these are general health problems